Hi, my name is Joshua and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about Keto Extreme Fat Burner before actually buying the product. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about Keto Extreme Fat Burner is, be careful with the website you're going to buy Keto Extreme Fat Burner from, because Keto Extreme Fat Burner is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. So what is Keto Extreme Fat Burner and does it actually work? And the answer is yes, Keto Extreme Fat Burner works, and after many laboratory tests, researchers identified that there is a natural formula with concentrated ingredients that will forces your body to burn fat for energy instead of carbs. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with Keto Extreme Fat Burner and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. Also, for Keto Extreme Fat Burner to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every single day, or else you won't see great results and you'll actually get a little frustrated. You can see the initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. Also important for you to know, Keto Extreme Fat Burner has no side effects since it is natural. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy Keto Extreme Fat Burner from, and also, if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that Keto Extreme Fat Burner actually helps you a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this product promotes.